Hey everyone, welcome back to the Flavour-O-Rama channel. Today we are going to take a trip around the world and make these Thai fried chicken drumsticks. The inspiration for this recipe is in the description box below. This recipe results in juicy, flavorful, and perfectly crunchy chicken that can be enjoyed by anyone everywhere. If that sounds amazing to you, please stay tuned and enjoy. First, we're going to start off with cleaning the chicken. It's a helpful step to clean the chicken with items such as lemon juice and vinegar. Lime juice and adding salt to the solution helps too. This just helps freshen up the meat after it has been sitting in styrofoam packaging and plastic cling wrap for some time in most instances, if the meat was purchased from a standard grocery store. While wearing gloves, place the chicken into a bowl. Use half or a whole lemon and squeeze the juice onto the chicken. Then add the vinegar. Water can be added as well to the solution. Next, begin to wash the chicken vigorously in a bowl with all the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes. Afterwards, rinse off the chicken and set aside. Remember, when handling raw meat, always make sure to wash hands and sanitize every single surface area. Next, begin to make slits into the flesh of each drumstick, about 1 centimeter deep, close to the bone. This helps the chicken to cook through while frying. More than 1 slit can be made in the meat as well, especially on the thickest parts of the flesh. If you are new to the Flavour-O-Rama channel, welcome. If you are enjoying what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. Now, begin to grind the ingredients needed for the marinade. Start off with the cilantro stems. Make sure to remove the leaves and set aside the stems. The leaves can be used for another dish. For this marinade, only the stems are needed. Next, begin to crush the white peppercorns. Place the peppercorns in the pestle and mortar and begin to crush into a powder. Begin to crush the garlic. First, peel the garlic. The garlic can be minced with a knife or a garlic press before adding into the crushed peppercorns. Now, add in the cilantro stems. Begin to crush together the cilantro stems, the garlic, and the white peppercorns. The mixture will begin to turn into a paste. Next, add in sugar into the paste and mix with the rest of the ingredients. Now, add in the Flavour-O-Rama seasoning into the paste. Begin to add the fish sauce and soy sauce into the paste. Add in water and mix all the ingredients for the marinade. If you are new to the Flavour-O-Rama channel, welcome. If you are enjoying what you see here, go ahead and like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Your taste buds will thank you for your participation. In a large bowl, add the marinade to the chicken and mix together. Make sure that the marinade is evenly distributed over each drumstick. Cover the bowl with foil and place in the fridge to marinate. Next, measure out the needed amount of rice flour, which will be added to the marinated chicken. Add rice flour to a bowl. With tongs or by hand with gloves, mix together the flour with the marinated chicken and the remaining liquid. This will create a batter for the chicken. Make sure that the batter is evenly distributed on all chicken pieces. Begin to add cooking oil into a deep pot or wok and heat the oil to about 375 degrees. Once the oil is heated, place battered chicken into the oil one at a time. Begin to turn the chicken to make sure that each side is fried well in the oil. Continue to do this during the frying process. Continue to fry the chicken until golden brown, making sure that the internal temperature of the chicken reaches at least 175 degrees. Continue to fry each drumstick. When each piece is completely cooked, Place on a plate with a paper towel to drain any excess oil. And there you have it. Make sure to serve this chicken hot with chosen toppings such as scallions or fried shallots. Enjoy this delicious chicken and take in the amazing crunch too. Thank you so much for watching the Flavour-O-Rama channel, and we'll see you next time.